Hello, I'll show you how to increase your HDD speed. Before we start, let's test your HDD speed. First of all, click Crystal Disk Mac and select your HDD and press All. When it tests, go to Start button and click Disk Management. Create and format disk partitions. Find your SSD, and shrink it. Eight GB is enough for me to use for HDD. This size is from my SSD. Now I have got 8 GB unallocated disk space from SSD, and I'll create a simple volume. I'll write this name, caching, and finish. Now I have a partition that I created for my HDD. This part actually belongs to my SSD, but I will use it for my HDD. Alright, now download the program that I gave you from cache, whatever it is. And after you open the program, go to manage level 2 storage, create level 2 storage, and you will see caching and format it, but be careful, you shouldn't format whole disk. Be careful. This is empty place, this is empty part. I'll format it for my HDD. Alright, now I'll create new cache task for my HDD. This is my HDD disk. This is my HDD disk. Depot is my HDD disk. I'll increase the speed of HDD. Okay, go next. I'll increase read and write speed. Before we start, let's look at the stats. As you see, 123 megabytes per second and 111 megabytes per second for writing. Let's close it. I want to increase read and write speed. Next. Level 1 cache is from your random access memory, RAM, from RAM. I think 2 GB is enough for me from RAM. L2 storage, the disk I created for my SSD for my HDD. I'll use max space and start. You can pause your program or plan, or you can delete it. Okay, now my HDD is faster right now because I use 8 GB caching space from my SSD. Let's test it. As you see, it's faster. Thanks for watching.